In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the MS Gaming Overlay pop-up message on your Windows 11 computer. Let's begin by opening the Registry Editor. First, click on your Start menu. In the search bar, type Registry Editor. You will see it appear in the list. Click on it to open. Now that you have the Registry Editor open, look at the folders on the left-hand side. We're going to go through a series of folders step by step. First, click on the folder that says HK Current User to expand it. Next, scroll down and expand the Software folder. Now, scroll again until you find the Microsoft folder. Expand it. Inside the Microsoft folder, scroll down and find the folder named Windows. Expand it as well. Then, click to expand the folder called Current Version. Inside this folder, look for a folder named Game DVR. You don't need to expand this folder, just click on it once so it's selected. Now, look to the right-hand side of the Registry Editor. At the top, you should see a file called App Capture Enabled. Double-click on this file. You'll see a small window appear. In the box labeled Value Data, change the number from 1 to 0. Then, click OK. If you don't see a file called App Capture Enabled, don't worry, you can create it yourself. Right-click on any empty space in the right-hand panel. From the menu, select New. Then click on Dord 32-bit Value. A new file will appear. You'll need to name it App Capture Enabled. Type the name exactly like that, and press Enter. Now, double-click on the file you just created. In the Value Data box, enter 0. Then click OK. Once you've done this, you can close the Registry Editor. This change should stop the MS Gaming Overlay pop-up message from showing up again on your Windows 11 computer. That's it. If you followed the steps exactly, the issue should now be fixed.